the Barbell Skullcrusher, you're going to start by sitting on the bench, put the barbell at your hip, lie back, push it up all the way overhead, and then you're going to let it go up over your head slightly before bending your elbows. I like to take it down to about the top of my head. You'll feel it differently, taking it to different spots. Some people like to take it to the very front of their face. Some people like to take it all the way back and extend. Whatever you do, you want minimal displacement of the elbow itself. So you want to move the elbow, but you don't want it going all the way back and forward. So try to lock it in place, go down and up.